Hi, I'm Thomas Friedman, and welcome to Stanford Open Office Hours. Alexander asked, what do you think are the greatest challenges facing America's college students and youth as they come of age over the next decade? Well, Alex, I'd say there are three challenges. One is adjusting to both globalization and the IT revolution, really the merger of the two, which is what I call flattening the world even more and more. And that's creating incredible opportunities, but incredible new sources of competition. And that will ultimately require everyone to raise their game. The way I like to put it is that average is over. Everyone's going to have to find their extra in this world where there's so many more people out there now who can do average and so many more machines that can do average and above. So first, it's going to be a big educational challenge. I think the second challenge is going to be entitlements. Social Security, Medicare, the healthcare issue, how we manage this huge debt burden so my generation doesn't make your generation debt slaves, basically, paying off every one of these programs we've run up for ourselves. So there's managing this kind of intergenerational conflict, I think, is going to be a real challenge. And lastly, of course, energy and climate. How we manage a world getting, as I say, hot, flat, and crowded, hotter, flatter, and more crowded all the time, bringing on the prospect of climate change. How do we manage what is now unavoidable and hopefully avoid what will be truly unmanageable? That's basically how I'd put it.